welcome to my house, you guys. I just closed. We are trying to move in at the same time, but I was like, I'm gonna get Fren this empty house tour. So this is going to be the dining room. Very nice. It has the copper ceilings in here. I'm gonna be replacing all of these light fixtures, all the knobs, everything, carpet, floors are all gonna be changed. But this is gonna be my mama's decorative spot here because I don't do dining rooms. And then this is the office. Actually, if you follow me on Instagram, you already know what the design is gonna be, but I love that we have crown molding. They actually have a double molding, which they said wasn't supposed to be in the house, but I got it, so that's cute. And I like this. This is like a post. I like the top of the post. I don't know what they call that, but I think it adds a little pizzazz to the house. And over here is the first bedroom, bathroom situation. We have a linen closet here. And then this is the bathroom. All right, and this is my mother's room when she come visit. It's nice and big. Nice size, has a nice size closet. All right. All right, y'all, let's go. So that is the room downstairs. And then you have the steps, which I think, speaks for themselves. Oh, I didn't mention the foyer, you guys. All right, y'all, so now this is my living room area. Love the windows, y'all. And right here, if you're looking to this place, we have the fireplace with these two open. I am gonna get some built-ins right here. I said carpet's coming up. We have tons of molding everywhere around the house. And then we have my beautiful kitchen, which is huge. I have a humongous island. Like I said, we're getting all the light fixtures out. Countertops are coming up. The sink is coming up. The faucet's coming up. We have a lot of work to do, y'all, but this is the kitchen. And then I have the double ovens there, which is really nice. So this is the pantry, y'all. It's really small, but I am gonna get this custom done, so excited about that. But I am getting hardwood throughout, so this is gonna look so much bigger. And then if you walk out here, this is the deck area. Y'all have kind of seen this, but not really. But it is huge. And then I have a bunch of trees, a bunch of privacy. So super excited to fix this up, get it all nice and good the way that I want it. There's so much to be done here though, but I can't wait to do what I want to do. Then if you come this way, this is the garage. I'm not going to show you guys the garage. This is the mudroom. I have to get some cushions here. I'm also going to get these right here taken out. These little things, I already have some black ones to put in their place. And now we're going to go upstairs so I can show y'all what's upstairs. All right, so when you come up the steps, this is the laundry room. I'm gonna get some built-ins in here as well. And I'm just gonna have my washer and dryer right here. And I kind of want to put like an iron board situation right here since I do have an outlet. That's what I was thinking. All of this up here is still going to be hardwood. And I have another linen closet, which y'all don't care about, but there it is. And this is the master. Have the double doors. It is very huge. There's gonna be a lot, it's a lot of room. So I don't know how it's gonna look, but then if you walk this way, there are double doors. And my bathroom. I have a water closet, which means the toilet is just in its own little room, which we love. The only thing in there is a toilet. And I have two sinks, which I like. They're on each side. They are very wide. These are some very wide sinks. I really like that. And I have a nice garden tub. So I have a nice garden tub and a window this time, which I think is cool. I talked about this closet so much because I am getting this wall taken out of the closet. Once this comes out, you're gonna see just how big this area is. I mean, you can kind of see how big it is now, but like all that ain't my stizzle. This is just gonna be like a wall full of shoes. I cannot wait. Oh, and another linen closet. And this is my shower, guys. Ain't nothing too shabby, but it's cool. I'm not the biggest fan of the tile situation. I don't know what that design, thought that was cute. It ain't really cute to me. But for now, we're gonna let it rock. Y'all hear all that click clack, and that's my heels. I got heels on. Decided to wear heels in my house the first time I walk in. Got to set the tone, you know what I'm saying? And then this is going to basically be my beauty room area. It's nice and big, has big windows. It also has a big closet. Well, it's a big closet door, which I feel like it just gives me big closet vibes. But it's nice. I mean, I'm not gonna have anything to put in it but like work stuff. I know we're going through it fast, Fren, but we gotta keep going. If you walk this way, you can see the entrance. I'm not gonna show you all that, like you can't see out the door window or anything, but there's my chandelier there. And I just love how it looks from up here. I mean, not the floors. This is trash. I mean, ultimate trash. It's coming up like ASAP. This is another bedroom. This is actually the Jack and Jill area. This is gonna be the females. I'm gonna have guest rooms set up for my friends, of course. So this is gonna be a female's room. This has the bigger closet. This is actually a walk-in closet. Okay. And so I thought that was nice for my friends. And then we have to walk this way because, like I said, it is a Jack and Jill, meaning they share a bathroom, but they don't share a sink, which is cool. They both have their own sinks. So there's a sink here, but this one only has a sink. There's nothing else, as you can see, just a wall. And then there is a toilet shower situation right here and another sink. Like I said, they don't share sinks, but they do share, well, actually a toilet and a tub and a shower. And then this is going to be the guy's room. It's a bigger room, I think, but it only has the one window. They gonna be okay. And it has the double door closet, not a walk-in closet. So it's like little things in each room that's like, oh, okay. That's what it'd be like. Mm-hmm. And that's my mama. She was recording, by the way. Say hey, Mom. That's pretty much all of the house, y'all, except for the basement. And I will show you guys the basement myself. This is a different day, but I did want to show y'all the basement. So this, I don't know how many steps this is, but you got to go down the steps. I love that they have a rail, of course. I didn't even know that every time you have some steps, you have to have a rail. That's cool. I do have a new sconce light for that. And just a light switch. This is an unfinished basement, y'all. I do have a dehumidifier in here, and I did go ahead and put my equipment in here. So it's still empty. Let's turn these lights on. When you come down the steps, this is going to be the bathroom. We are gonna finish the basement. Just hold on. We have a lot of videos to go, friend. And then this is going to be the bar area, kitchen area right here. This is going to be the gym, which is gonna be next to the bathroom, which works because I wanna be able to hop right in that shower, get that nastiness off. And if you come this way, I think I wanna make this like a craft room. I think that's what I wanna do. Extra space, and I have no idea what to do with it. Has no window. I was thinking of making that the movie theater, but then I was like, nah, let's make this one the movie theater. I don't wanna make the movie theater bigger, so I don't know if I may try to combine these, but that's just too much space for a movie theater. So once I get someone out to look at the basement and start that process, then, you know, we'll see. But that's what I want to do over there because there's no windows. And then if you go this way and come through here, this is going to be my office area. This is my office space, y'all. So huge, so huge. So I have this dehumidifier going. I have to get a pump because I know it's gonna be full in the next 5 minutes because I don't know, it's just so humid in this basement, I don't know. But this is a whole view of the basement. It's literally the same size as each other level of the house. So it's another 1,000 square foot down here, y'all. Talk about crazy house. What? Oh, and I guess, I mean, baby, I didn't even show you everything. Let's go out here. You walk out and this beautiful, and I say beautiful patio area. Okay, are you with me? Cool. And my backyard. Can we just take a little moment to recognize the backyard? I have over an acre of land, so it goes all the way back. There is a lake somewhere back there. There's driveway. There's some good shit out here, okay? We're gonna explore, just not today. And then I do have a deck, and I have my stairs. Girl, I ain't got no shoes on. Look, I got my onesie. Ooh, I got no shoes on. The deck's doing what decks needs to do, okay? Let's walk up. It's no longer empty, sorry. This empty house tour just became something completely different. But hey, this is my style, okay? There's a whole bunch of junk. I don't want to give you too many hints, but this is my first plant. I don't know the name of it. I'm gonna get the name of it for y'all. Got my egg chair back there. We ain't gonna give away too much, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, this is how the house looks from the deck. Trees are high to the sky. Ah! All right. Also, back up in here, there's just my water tank. Oh, you know, and y'all know what it is. But this is also going to be a nice closet to put all of my like camera equipment in once we get all this set up. I do want to have like different spaces to film, like a couch lounge area, my desk area, and like, you know, something else, I don't know. Maybe like a backdrop area, you know? So, cause it's like so much space, y'all. Like, what? Let's see how many steps to get to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Ooh, it's 11 steps, girl. Little sexy steps, you know what I'm saying? All right, Fren. That's the end.